Let's read question number 2. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and by 8. First question. The first one is 572. We have to check whether 572 is divisible by 4 and divisible by 8. Let us first check whether it can be divisible by 4. You see, to check whether number is divisible by 4, what we have to do? Take the last two digits and divide by 4. Okay, what is the last two digit? 72. Let us divide 72 by 4. What you will be getting? 1 4s are 4. You will be getting 3, 32. 8 4s are 32. So, it is divisible. Last two digit is divisible by 4. So, what do you think? Can this 572 divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Now let us check whether we can divide 572 by 8. You see, it's a 3-digit number. Divisibility test of 8 is if the digits are 4 or more, the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Then only that number can be divisible by 8. If the digits are 1, 2, 3, what we have to do? We have to do the actual division to check whether the number is divisible by 8. So it has only 3 digits, 572. So what we have to do? We have to divide it by 8. Let us see what we will be getting. 7 8s are 56, remainder 1, 12. In 12, 1 8s are 8. Yes, when you divide, subtract, you will be getting 4. It is not divisible by 8. So, remainder is not 0. So, what do you think? Yes, it is not divisible by 8. Let us do one more, then that will be clear to you. Question number B. The number is 7, 2, 6, 352. Say large number. Okay, 352. You have to check whether it is divisible by 4. What is the method? Take the last two digits and divide by 4. Is it possible? Let us check. 1 4s are 4. 1, 2, 12. 3 4s are 12. 0. So, as 52 is divisible by 4, this number is divisible by 4. Yes, it is divisible by 4. Now, how can we check whether it is divisible by 8? Take the last 3 digits. That is 352. Let us divide by 8. 4 8s are 32, isn't it? So, what is remaining? When you subtract, you will be getting 3. 32 comes. Again, 4 8s are 32. You see, remainder is 0. So, last 3 digit is divisible by 8. So, what you conclude? Yes, the given number is divisible by 8. I think it is clear. The remaining problems, you can do it yourself. Now, question number 3. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. Okay, let us take the first number. 2, 9, 7, 1, 4, 4. You have to check whether it is divisible by 6. How can you check that a given number is divisible by 6? Yes, it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Now, let us check whether it can be divisible by 2. You see the last digit, that is even number. So, it is divisible by 2. Okay, so it is divisible by 2. Now, we have to check whether it is divisible by 3. How can we check it? You should add all the digits. If the sum is divisible by 3, the number will be divisible by 3. Okay, now let us add all the digits. 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. What is the answer? 9 plus 2, 11 plus 7, 18, 19, 23 plus 4, 27. Yes, 27 is divisible by 3. 9 3s are 27. So, the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So, what do you conclude? Yes, this number is divisible by 6. Is it clear, children? Let us do one more. B. 1258. It is divisible by 2. Why? Because the last digit, unit digit is 8. It's an even number. So, it is divisible by 2. Now, you have to check whether it is divisible by 3. 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8. What you will be getting? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 is not divisible by 3. So, the given number, though it is divisible by 2, it is not divisible by 3. So, what do you conclude? The given number is not divisible by 6. Now, question number 4. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. Let us do one here. The first one is 5445. How can you check whether a given number is divisible by 11? What you have to do? Yes, you add the digits in the unit place and odd place, then you find the difference. If the difference is 0 or if the difference is a multiple of 11, the given number will be divisible by 11. That is the criteria. Okay, now what are the odd place here? It is odd place because 1, it is second place. So it is odd place, it is even place, it is odd place, it is even place. Now find the sum of odd digit numbers, odd place digit number. What is the sum? Yes, sum of odd place numbers. What is that? 5 plus 4, that is 9. Now find the sum of even place digits. 4 plus 5, again 9. What is the difference? Difference is equal to 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So if the difference is 0 or if the difference is a multiple of 11, that can be divided by 11. So what do you think? Is this number is divisible by 11? Yes, the given number is divisible by 11. Now let us do another one, one more. It is 10,824. Odd place numbers. It is odd place, it is odd place, it is odd place, 1, 3, 5. Even place, it is even place, it is even place. Now add the sum of the numbers that comes in the odd place. What is that? Odd sum. Yes, that is equal to 1 plus 8 plus 4. What is that? 1 plus 8 plus 4. Yes, 13 you get. Now even placed numbers, when you add, what you will be getting? 0 plus 2, isn't it? What is 0 plus 2? That is 2. What is the difference? Difference is equal to 13 minus 2, that is 11. So the difference is a multiple of 11. So what do you conclude? This number is divisible by 11. I think it is clear to you. Now let us solve another one, question number 5. Write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. Let us see the number. 6, 7, 2, 4. You should add a number here so that the number is divisible by 3. What is the criteria for divisible by 3? When you add the digits, the sum should be divisible by 3, isn't it? Let us add the digits, what is given here. What you will be getting? 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. Sum is 6 plus 7, 13 plus 2, 15 plus 4, 19. The sum is 19. So the minimum number you have to add here is 2. Because when you add 2, what it becomes? When you add 2, it becomes 21. 21 is divisible by 3. Isn't it? So the minimum number that you have to add here so that that given number is divisible by 3 is 2. Now what is the maximum number you can add here? If you add 3, you will be getting 22. If you add 4, what will you be getting? 23. If you add 5, you will be getting 24. 24 is divisible by 3. But let us check another number. If you add 7, 19 plus 7, 26, that is not divisible by 2. If you add 8, you see, if you add 8 here, what will you be getting? 19 plus 8, that is equal to 27. Isn't it? Now if you add 9, it becomes 28. That is not possible. So when you add 8 here, what you will be getting? You will be getting the greatest number that is divisible by, so that this number is divisible by 3. If you add 2, the number, you get the smallest number that is divisible by 3. I think it is clear to you. I think it is clear. Now let us solve one more, the second one. 4, 7, 6, 5, blank space, 2. You should add a number so that you should get the minimum number or the least number that is divisible by 3. If you add another number, you should get, this number should become the maximum value, or the number should have the maximum value so that that is divisible by 3. So let us add the digits. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. So when you add at the digits, you get 24. You know 24 is divisible by 3. So the minimum number that you can add here is 0. If you add 0, the number becomes 24 itself, the sum becomes 24 itself. So the minimum number, the least number becomes 4,76,502. Now let us check what is the maximum value that you can give here. With the 24, if you add 9, what it becomes? It becomes 33. Yes, 33 is divisible by 3. Isn't it? The maximum value you can give here is 9. The minimum value you can give here is 0. So when you give 0, it is divisible by 3. But when you give 9, what the number becomes? Yes, it is also divisible by 3. So now the number becomes 4,76,592. I think it is clear.